Adabraka, even today, it repeated itself again. Flood and fire at the same time. Rubber market at Adabraka was seriously burning, and at the same time, flood has taken over the place. Even firefighters are not getting access to the place because of the flood. We are recycling the same story again. I don't know when things will become better. I don't know who will take position and say, let me do things once and for all and let Accra work again and make Accra work again. If that hasn't happened, then every year we are going to recycle the flood stories.